Alright guys, we have our engine stand assembled. Now we're going to work on getting this 305 on the engine stand. To do that, we're going to start by separating the engine and the transmission. Then we're going to mount this to the engine and then try and lift the engine and slide it into the engine stand, and voila, motor on stand.
Let's get started.
So in order to get these two separated, we have two things that we need to disconnect. We have some bolts on the outside here, which it looks like all of them have been removed except for two on the outside. And then we also have to separate the internals, which would be the torque converter and the flywheel, which consists of 3 bolts on the underside here that we got to get out. So we're going to start off by disconnecting the flywheel.
Torque converter, flywheel, 1 bolt. You can see right there.
Need some WD-40, bro, Chacha? Oh, don't do a ratchet on that end. You're gonna.
Alright, go.
Next one.
Yep. Stop. Alright, go. Stop. Okay, go. Yeah, dude, there's just 3 of them. And a little bit more. Stop. Put the 15 mil in the back.
This is what we need to get out of here. We need to get this chain out of here. There, that's better. There you go.
So now I can use the ratchet, can I?
Yep, yeah, totally.
Where'd it go?
There it is. If you could only imagine. Oh yeah, brother.
Off to the side. Alright, go ahead and spin her. A little bit more. Right there.
Now, a lot of people would ask us, how do we know how to do all this stuff? Well, the first time we did this, we didn't know to do this, so we pulled the whole
torque converter out.
yeah, and transmission fluid out everywhere. So then we learned that you can just take off this little guard underneath the automatic transmission and take these bolts off, and you don't have to worry about pulling the torque converter out and spilling automatic transmission fluid everywhere.
And a lot of people mess with these engines, so a lot of these don't have the torque converter plate, or that little plate that hides everything on it. This one didn't. Ta-da.
Sweet.
Fell again. Alright, that's good, Jake. That's fine. Oh yeah, now it is. Look at that. Boom.
Oh shit.
Separated.
Yeah, watch it.
Oh, that's the...
Alright guys, we got this bad boy on the engine stand. Had a little hiccup with the wheel. Looks like they sent us the wrong wheel with this package, so we had to make a trip into town, get a drill, get the right size drill bit and drill that out. But we got it on here. We're going to clean this thing up. You guys stay tuned for the next episode of the ROY Garage. Not sure what we're working on next. Could be this, could be the Irrational International, could be Leroy's Vortec engine that he's got in his garage. But yeah, see you next time on the ROY Garage. Thanks for watching.